I'm cursed. You guys should know this. I'm just cursed. When I plan a turkey trip, it rains a monstrous amount. And Adam drove all the way from Tennessee to be here, and it rained all night last night, an ungodly amount. And then it rained all day today until now, which is like, what, 9 o'clock?
Yeah, 9:30.
So we went and got breakfast. We worked smart and not hard. The birds are talking, which is a really good sign. Front's pushing through. Cool weather in the morning. It's going to be like 50 degrees, highs of 70s. I've got 3.5 days of hunting. He's got 2.5 days left of hunting. So we're going to make it happen. We stopped over here by a pond where I know there's some gobblers and wild turkey gobblers. Sorry, Parker. And we're going to see if we can't strike one up. Speak that evil on me, Ricky Bobby. Is that a hen? Guess not. Is that Kiki? That's a songbird. That's a hen, dude. Hear it? Buck, buck. Well, she's not far. I think so. Yeah. That's a hen, 100%. So, yeah, she's talking now loud. Sounds like she's actually cutting the distance. Well, here's my thinking. You're going to want to be able to see into those pines if she comes through those pines with a gobbler behind her. So do we tuck up here facing the road? Get back to these pine trees right here. rain and stones too. Everything. That knows these birds. They don't have any fields. Don't be on the logging roads.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder. You know how when we pulled up, there was that road that went straight, that logging road that went straight? I wonder if she wasn't on the other side and just came through all that timber. But she came. Huh?
Yeah, she came. Wow. I bet they're all busted up from that.
They've got to be. That's good for us. We just need to find one that wants to play. I want to give her a little bit of time before we go down there because that's the only way we can go.
She's like, we gotta find a turkey.
Did you see her strutting at one point? When she got right here.
When she got here, I started looking at her. I was like,
yeah, you got to look back here. So she came to like right there. Like I'm talking like I'm gonna walk this off because I want to see how close she was. But she did this number. She does like this, and she's like looking and she's going key out. But dude, the transition from the key to the yacht was like a Jake yelp almost.
oh yeah, it was.
It was like a key yacht, key yacht. I did too. When she was right here, I saw her all the way over there, and I tracked her all the way through. Did you see her when she was over here at one point? And you could see her? Okay. So I saw her come across, and when she came up this way and she did that yacht thing, I went ahead and put my calls away, and I've had the gun trained out. I'm like, that might be a Jake, and if that's a Jake, that's gonna be the coolest. Like,
all right, so I don't know how much of that you saw, but that was really cool. Cool encounter. Hen came right in. I'm going to check it on the Insta360. I had my Sony AX53, but I didn't put an SD card in it, so whoops. That would have been the perfect quintessential time for it. We're going to go to another spot that I know the birds like to go when it's wet and rainy out. We're going to see if we can't go get on one. Just going to bounce around all day. That's the name of the game. We are trying to beat a band of rain. There's a real, what looks like one of the last bad bands of rain. It's going to get here in about an hour, and we're over here on a fresh burn in an area that's had turkeys before. In fact, you saw Chase and I hunt this area last year in the rain and had a pile of turkeys. So this burn should definitely have them fired up. That burn might be why they're not in the field. Yep. See, just got our first answer of the day. He's down in this bottom 200-300 yards away. Yeah. So we're gonna cut the distance real good. Try and get in on top of them. We'll see what happens. We're about 75 yards from the bottom, and then we'll be able to start working our way towards them. Actually, you can take up front and follow this path. It's going to open up in about 50 yards, so just be careful. There he is again. He just fired off again. Dead ahead. Dead ahead, dude. Slow down. There's a strut zone right up here. He's right where you need him. He's right down there on your back. He's right down. Don't walk up. Lift your head up. No, you want a clear shot. You want a clear shot. If it's clear, take it. Got him. Go get him. Go get him, boy. Go get him, boy. Yes! Here, give me a gun. Him a little bit. Hey, hey. Yeah, baby. Oh! Oh, what a day. Thank you, brother. Oh my God, let's go sit down. Walt and we have a deer trail that would get us on the same level as him. So we ended up, what, probably 100 yards from him, maybe? Yeah, it had to be like right at 100. And then he just came in. Got a... Oh, nice. Daggum, look, the hook's on him. Yeah, hooks on it. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, he's got... Oh, it's Osceola. Yeah, 100%. It's broken barred wood. Absolutely.